Okay, so we're going to look at a horizontal stretch. We're going to use the graph of f of x equal to x squared to obtain the graph h of x equal to 1/2 x all squared. So what we're looking for anytime that we are stretching or shrinking is a number that's either being multiplied to my original function or a number that's being multiplied to an x. So you can see here that inside the parentheses I have a number 1/2 being multiplied to the x. So this indicates that I'm going to have a horizontal stretch. One, because that the number is less than 1, and 2, it's being multiplied to the x, not to the entire original function. So that being said, I know that I'm going to be dividing each x value by 1/2. So let's look first at x squared. So here I have taken my graphing calculator and graphed x squared. I can obtain 3 points on this graph. Okay, so let's look at the 3 points, -2, 4, which would be here, 0, 0, and +2, 4. So if I take these 3 points and divide each x value that should be +4. If I take each x value and divide it by the number that was being multiplied to the x, I should be able to obtain my new graph. So let's try it. So on the first one, I'm going to divide -2 by 1/2, and that should give me a -4. 4 is my new point. Same thing for the other 2 points. So again, 0 divided by 1/2 is still going to be 0, and 2 divided by 1/2 is going to be 4. So those should be my 3 new points. Let's try it out. So here I've taken my graphing calculator and typed in my new function, but I want to make sure that what I did was correct by taking that 1/2 and dividing it to each x value. So you can see on the graph here that my 3 points are now -4, 4, 0, 0, and 4, 4. So it worked. So now I know that anytime I have a number that is less than 1 that is being multiplied to the x value, this indicates a horizontal stretch. So the last thing that I want to do is I want to compare the two. So what I've done is I've graphed both equations in my graphing calculator, and you can see it, the blue being the original, the green being my new. So you can see how it has horizontally been stretched.